Hi everyone! Oh my god, that was... hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany, if you're new here, hello. Today we are going to be trying the... What is wrong with me? This is the Ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. It is a 10-minute exfoliating facial from the Ordinary. So let's consult. So this is pH 3.5 to 3.7. It's not water free, or is it? It's alcohol free, oil free, silicone free, nut free, vegan, gluten free and cruelty free. With 30% alpha hydroxy acids, 2% beta hydroxy acid, hyaluronic acid. You don't need to know. Oh, it's got black carrot and Tasmanian pepperberry. We recommend use only if you are an experienced user of acid exfoliation and your skin is not sensitive. I've had this for a few weeks now and I've not used it yet, just because I don't know. I'm not nervous to use it, I'm just note, while exfoliating acids can result in quick visible benefits, we generally suggest indirect forms of skin exfoliation in favour of direct forms such as this formula due to potential inflammation and sensitivity associated with acids. Please refer to Noid's non-acid acid precursor for such a reference. Clean face and wait for skin to dry. Do not use on wet skin. Apply evenly across the face, neck using fingertips, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for no more than 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Avoid the eye contour and contact with eyes both during application and rinsing off. It's not recommended to use more than twice a week. Use sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using products and for the week afterwards. Loads and loads and loads of people have said how amazing it is, like literally loads of people. Visibly targets textural irregularities, lackluster tones and blemishes. Let me go and get a bowl of warm water so it's ready to wash off, and a towel. I should have got all that ready. I'm just going to wipe my face over just in case I have anything. I'm just using the simple cleansing facial wipes. I have my pasta bowl of warm water, and I've also got a little sponge, a cleansing sponge to help get it off, and my towel. Put my towel there. Oh, my towel smells so good. I love clean washing. I wouldn't say my skin was sensitive. It has like sensitive areas. I've got like a little dry patch that I always get just here. I don't know why. I've got a little dry patch here. Got a little bit of one there as well. Usually like this area can sometimes burn or sting when I'm using certain things, especially like that glycolic acid toner that stings like here and usually like here on my chin. So that there are some patches. I don't want to have to go to work tonight with hideous looking face. So that's what it looks like. I think that's the stuff that people put on their face and say that they've got period blood on their face. It's absolutely freaking disgusting. Okay, so it looks a little bit like blood. I'm just going to drop a couple of drops onto my hand. And then pop it on. As it's burning straight away just there. Just going to wipe it off the areas that it's right. So I've just done it just around the outside as it instructed and away from the contours of my eyes, so I've left all that free. I'm not bringing it down my neck at the moment, I just want to see how it reacts on my face. I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes, so I'll be back in 5 minutes time. It is starting to sting a little bit, just here, none on my cheeks, but that's about it, and a little bit here, so I think like my dry patch. But I will be back in 5 minutes to see how it's going. Okay, so it's been on for 5 minutes now. It's not burning or anything like that. I'm going to remove it now. I know it says 10 minutes, but should I wait? It's not burning. We're going to wait. My battery is just about to die. By the time I change my battery, it will be time to take it off. It's got a funny smell to it. It kind of smells... It smells nice. It smells kind of berry, like a real mild cough medicine-y kind of. Okay, so it's now been on for about a minute before 10 minutes. I'm just going to use my cleansing sponge and just wipe that away. So we've got, so obviously being careful not to get it in your eyes. Eyes are very sensitive, and obviously I didn't put it around my lips either, and that was very quick and simple to get off. Pop that dry. Let's have a look. So, I don't know if you can see, I have a slight redness there, but it hasn't burnt or caused any irritation. Slap my face like a baby's bum. Some people could probably have an awful reaction to acids and everything, but look, great when you go to wipe a hair away, randomly growing in your face and it's actually attached. Fabulous. My face feels fine. How do I look? Yeah, I'm a little bit overwhelmed by it. I thought it was going to be like, oh god, it's going to burn my face off, half my face is going to peel off. Not the case. It is pretty mild, pretty mild, pretty gentle, and I will definitely use that again. I'm going to bring it down my neck, make sure I don't get said tortoise neck. Yeah, I am pleasantly surprised. I will be using that definitely again. It's good to get a good exfoliation. I used the wrong word then. Exfoliator on my face. That's about it from me today. A quick one. Always a pleasure, never a chore. I'll see you all later. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what peels and that you have used, that you've tried. Any like horror stories or any like thumbs up. let me know, let everyone else know just down below, and I will see you all later. Bye!